Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today, let's check out how to make chicken shawarma roll. It's an Arabian dish that you can easily make at home. So without any delay, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients. To a pan, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot and ready, add in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Now add in a cup of boneless chicken strips. Saute for another 5 minutes in low flame until the chicken is well done. Now add half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Then add 1 onion cut into thin slices, 1 capsicum cut into strips, and a cup of cabbage very finely chopped. Saute the vegetables for a minute. Finally, add half teaspoon of pepper powder and mix well. Your chicken filling is now ready. Knead 1 cup of maida and a pinch of salt with some water and form a chapati batter consistency. Pull out a portion and make a ball out of it. Roll the ball into thin layer. Heat a tawa and add it to it. Make few fork holes before adding. Cook on both sides and then remove. Now spread a layer of mayonnaise. I'm using homemade mayonnaise today. You can check out the link in the description box. Then add the chicken filling in the center and roll it. Delicious chicken shawarma roll is now ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.